Before I get into explaining the details and process of this project, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful and amazing mother. She always put her children first, and we can never thank her enough for that. So, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you. So I'm not going to talk over this whole video because it's 5 minutes long, and I'm on my way to church. So basically, I just cut down some 2x4s and made them 2x2s. The height of this project is 4 feet tall. The shelves are 2 feet long each. What I did was glue 3 2x2s together. I sanded it all down. Then I got a 2x6/8 and cut it into 4 pieces, making them 2 feet long each. And then I used my table saw to make a notch at the back side of all of them. And that's the part that's going to be wrapping around the 3 2x2s. After that, I just sanded it all down, threw my pre-stained wood conditioner on there before I added the stain. And then after the stain dried for 4 hours, I went ahead and threw the polyurethane on. And then the polyurethane took about 12 hours before I wanted to mess with it. And then I just put it all together. And so, yeah, enjoy some nice music and watch me work. And here's the finished product. If you guys enjoy these videos, go ahead and leave a comment and like.